The whip stitch, or sometimes called the overcast stitch in certain applications, is a stitch that you can use to attach a piece of fabric in applique to the background. It's a really easy stitch, and I'm going to show you how to do it here. You're going to hold the piece of fabric that you want to attach to your background, and you're going to come up with your needle right outside of it. I usually knot the end of my thread to make it a little easier. And then you're just going to come straight down, basically moving around the edge perpendicular to it. So here you go. So that is the basic shape. It is really just a series of straight stitches that you're going to work around the edge, and you want to just keep your stitches even. Try to keep them the same length, and you turn your fabric as you go so that they stay perpendicular to your edge. And you can use a contrasting bit of thread like I am here, so you can see those stitches clearly, or you can use thread that's the same color as your fabric if you want that to blend in, and then do something different decoratively on your fabric. So you're really just going to continue that motion all the way around, and that is the whip stitch.